Hi guys, I am doing my first decorate for fall with me. This is going to be me cleaning and undecorating, and I'm also going to be setting up my fall coffee bar. So if you're needing some motivation on today, this is a bonus video, so I'm going to be uploading my fall videos this week.
I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days.
So if you are new here, my name is Ivy. I am a wife and mom of 4 older kids, and I keep my day loves at my house, which are kids, daycare kids, and also sometimes some kids from our church come over, so you will see in my videos where I have kids toys and stuff, so that's why. On my channel I do cooking, cleaning, decorate with me, and just some of everything. This is my main channel. I also have a channel called Homemaking with This Mom where I do extra cleaning videos, and I also have a channel called Thrifty Babe on a Budget. So if you're interested in more beauty type stuff, that's what Thrifty Babe on a Budget is about. And then this channel is more so for me to do a combined videos of whatever I want to do. So that's what my channel is about, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And we're just going to continue to clean and then decorate this coffee bar. So I finished taking down my summer decorations, and then I'm going to start putting out my fall decorations. So I went and got some of the things that I had here at the house, and also I picked up a few things from Dollar General the other day. So I'm just setting up this 2-tiered tray, and then I'm going to put my DIYs out. I did some whipped cream toppers, and I also made some fake cupcakes and some cake pops. And then I'm going to put my garland over here and just decorating for fall.
Hold on, was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
So I saw this easy to make apple bites. So I thought this would be perfect for this fall video. So I'm just going to be taking some croissants and taking some brown sugar, some regular sugar, and some butter, and it's brown sugar and sugar, and you mix it together, and then you're going to put this on the croissants after you put the butter on, and then add the apples. So it's like mini apple pies. So this would be perfect for a fall dessert. So I decided to throw this in the video to share a small little dessert you can try. And you're supposed to put pecans in it, but didn't have any, so I'm just using what I got.
You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millennia. But you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares has gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. I've got you. I've got you. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be.
I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus video, and stay tuned for my part 2 of decorating for fall. I hope you guys have a very blessed day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.